Stop relying on cheap plastic clips that eventually fail and cause leaks. Today on Kitchen Faucet, we're showing you the steel strap method, the most secure, professional way to lock your undermount sink in place forever. It's fast, it's permanent, and it's a total game changer for your DIY kitchen build. Let's dive in. Prep. Before grabbing your power tools, you need a perfect dry fit. Slide your stainless steel sink under the cutout and check your alignment. You're looking for a consistent reveal around the entire perimeter. Once dialed in, take the sink back out for the most critical step, cleaning. If there is any granite dust or manufacturing oil on the sink rim or the stone, your sealant will fail. Grab a clean microfiber cloth and denatured alcohol to wipe down both contact surfaces until they are pristine. In the world of kitchen installs, prep is 90% of the battle. If those surfaces aren't clinically clean, the bond won't hold. Don't skip this, or you'll be fixing a massive leak in 6 months. Seal. With surfaces prepped, load your caulk gun with high-quality 100% silicone sealant. Avoid cheap latex caulk. You need the flexibility of pure silicone for a waterproof bond. Apply a thick, consistent bead all the way around the top rim of the sink flange. Now, lift the sink into place. You want to see that silicone squeeze out from the seam. That's your proof of a watertight gasket. If you're working solo, use a mechanical car jack or a few 2x4 wood scraps and wooden shims to brace the sink tightly against the stone. This temporary bridge prevents sagging while you move on to the permanent hardware. Strap. The real strength comes from half-inch all-round steel strap. Using an impact driver and heavy-duty wood screws, drive your fasteners into the cabinet sidewalls exactly 1.5 inches higher than the bottom of the sink. By mounting the screws higher, the metal strap stretches as it loops under the sink. When you torque those screws down, that tension acts like a heavy-duty spring, pulling the sink upward against the countertop. Install one strap in front of the drain and one behind. Once tightened, use tin snips to cut the excess strap. Finally, wipe away the excess silicone with a damp rag and let it cure for 24 hours. That's how you achieve a professional-grade sink install that will outlast your kitchen. If this tip helped your project, smash that like button and subscribe to Kitchen Faucet for more no-nonsense gear reviews and DIY hacks.